Yo, yo, what's up, TikTok? What's up, YouTube? What is up? What's good? What's good? Happy Monday. Let's have a great trading week. Um, let's do it, man. Let's straight up do it. We have no choice but to do it. Just do it. Alhamdulillah, what's good, what's good? All right, man, let's have a look here. Sorry, I was a bit late here as well. Anyone hear a fart there? Let's have a look here, man. Straight up. I think maybe we've got some sort of level here. I'm going to do a quick top down just to get a bit of a view on gold. Haven't really looked too much. Gonna do a quick top down here. Weekly's a mess. Like weekly, if the weekly were to flip green and like start to push up, it looks like it would make sense. But haven't got too much of a pulse on the weekly. Daily kind of looks like we're in a consolidation range. Like late Friday, we obviously came up and popped up here. Major daily resistance level up here got kind of tapped into. We're rejecting off. Daily so far has been moving down, relatively aggressive. At a pretty key support level on the 4 hour. 1 hour's got 25 minutes left. Trying to push down here. Yeah, I mean, so as the 30's looking bearish as shit. So where we sit right now, yeah, I'm looking to sell gold. Maybe we can look at potentially taking a breakout below this level, yeah. I think a lot of the bearish signs are there. So if this candle can close below this level, I'm going to be looking to probably sell. I'm going to be looking to sell gold. Deposit. Fuck off, bro. As for NQ, NQ bullish. Whoa, what the fuck is this 30-minute time frame? And 15. I mean, yeah, I guess we've got a level here. It's very like up and down though. Bro, I haven't made any money off Dominion yet. Can someone like... Oh, wow, gold's melting. All right, there you go. This is the new level. What a crazy meltdown from Friday. Yeah, I took another payout of the personal Mitch. So you guys, this is my I actually started a new account because I was getting two in my head with that. The account that I grew from 5K to 100K. Well, I grew it to 107, took 57 out, and then I just took another 12 out, or 11 and a bit. And now I've just started a new account with a bit more leverage because that old account for 5K to 100K, I was kind of associating it with the challenge still. Like it was still in my head. I just wanted a fresh account. So I started a new account with a little bit more leverage. Yeah, gold's been a dog. Sorry, I'm just locking in here, just trying to get a pulse on what I'm thinking here on gold. Big Camaro, what's good? Usman in the house. I'm looking forward to your fight with DDP. I don't think it's been officially announced, but I think that's in the works. Gold overextended? A little bit, but fuck, it's bearish. I think I would still be semi-interested. We've got a couple minutes for this candle closure. This candle closure is going to kind of give us an indication of what we should potentially do. If I become profitable this year, I will come and meet you and give you flowers, G. Bro. Let's do it. Yep, sounds good to me. But just remember, profitable isn't a state in which you achieve and then you maintain like that, and then you're in autopilot. Like, it's a daily act. Profitable trading is a daily act. So, nah, I don't trade options. Nah, I don't trade oppos. Op dogs. Because it doesn't seem to matter. All right, while this candle closes, I'm just going to quickly chuck this coffee on. Camaro, the Nigerian Nightmare Usman. Do you trade coffee beans? Nah, I don't. I only don't do that. I only drink coffee beans. Do you trade liquidity sweep reversal? Nah, bro. Oh, that's just flat. Just price action, just looking for reactions off these levels. We're going to see how this candle closes. Yeah, I'm trying to think about the idea of selling. I think if we get a closure around here, I'm still interested in selling gold, yeah. High probability of pullback before push more? Yeah, for sure. Potentially. What up, Shem? What up, Kerr? Jesus is question mark? Jesus is reliable. The evidence suggests that Jesus was reliable. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Man, I've been fucking... Hold up. Hey! Yeah, righto. I'll sell here. Is this live? Yes. Yeah, all right. I'll sell a closure. Your voice is scary. Wait till you see my. Wait till you hear my my beatboxing. Bro, I just jumped over the count. It's just so much quicker and easier sometimes. We got place to be and trades to lose. Like, we can't be walking around. We cannot be walking around. Yeah, righto. I'll sell. Righto. It's just like you got. Like, if you check this out, like, bearish so far. All good, don't load. All good. Yeah, bearish is shit on the 4 hour, the daily. Why the fuck is it taking so long? The hourly. Clear targets down here. 30-minute is obviously bearish. And the 15, yeah, I'm going to look at potentially taking a sell here. It could be argued to be a bit extended, but I think there's enough in favor. Love you too, bro. Hey, I have a quick question. I can trade but not consistent. Can win 3-4 days per week. Am I still good to join your mentorship, or is it just for beginners to learn? Bro, I've had people join the mentorship that have been in the game for 10 years plus. It's not about your experience level. It's just about, like, I mean, are you making enough money yet? Do you have the skill set? Do you need to be held accountable and guided to keep you on track? It's all individual. Everyone that joins has an individual purpose on how they need to be mentored. So it just depends where you're at. So I'm going to be looking for a retest and potentially looking to sell here. I have a question. Can I... Oh. Parkour, yeah. What's good, Allison? What's the go with the 150 to 100K? I mean 1K. It's sitting at around 1.1. Yeah, it's sitting around 1.1. I woke up to some small long positions, basically BE'd. This morning. Need a retest. Nice. Why did you do that? Just for shits and gigs? Wait, do what? Give us one strategy for life to backtest. Brother, if it was one strategy for life that you could backtest and you'd be set up, then you could just teach a robot to do it. It's about the individual executing them. Make a new trading account? Oh, the small one, yeah, basically. I just wanted to see if I could flip it and then try and grow it. Just, yeah, basically for shits and gigs, I guess. Yeah. Poo-poos and gigs. Waiting for London Open? Fair, fair. Well, I've been invalidated now anyway because I needed a top wick. Very good trade, oil, but small red above level, don't enter. Yeah. If you have to choose between one, trend continuation or continuation reversals, oh, I don't know. I don't even think about it like that, bro. Would you still enter now if it retests? Nah, I'm not a fan of those types of scenarios. Like there is a time and a place for that, Zane. It's a good question, but Nah, I don't think with the way that like a big thing when it comes to that is the distance in which it travels first. Like if it were to poke its head down a little bit and then retest and then break its high low, be a bit better. But the fact that it's already pushed so far and broken the low, if it were to come back up here and then come all the way, nah, it's just not it. Yeah, but like I said, I am a fan of doing that still if it's just a little bit of a retest. Like if this did just poke down a little bit and then come up and then do it, I'd be more interested. But the fact that it's come so far, it's made it not fun for me anymore. Like that's nearly 40 ticks. China! Sleepy Joe Biden. Hillary's a lizard. Trump didn't even say that. That's Alex Jones that says that. And they're lizards, and they're sleeping in coffins. Who is it? Accept my request. I want 2 minutes of your time. Why would I give you 2 minutes of my time though? Think about it. Like I like the idea, but you know, I posted a thing yesterday of somebody asking me for money in my DMs. And I said, go, I get a job or whatever. And then the amount of other messages I got of people asking for money, even though I replied to that dude saying, get a job. And then I had another group of people saying, how dare you like talk to somebody like that? I'm like, brother, I grew up in the scum of the earth area with broken home, shit pit, and had to build everything that I have from scratch. And it only took 33 years. I didn't get there by asking people for money, right? You can ask the question here, bro. Just ask it here in the chat. Lizard people are real? I mean, Donald Holmes, wow. Hey, make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream as well. If you like me, drop a thumbs up. Let's get it. Let's get thummy. Thumb Nation. Nah, it's too late for a retest now. It's already too extended down. Damn, anyone that sold this morning is cheering. Mercedes, hey, what's up? Are you talking about this level like down here? I'm not looking to sell anyway right now because I needed, I just needed a retest. Yeah, I didn't get a retest. Like it could be argued as pretty extended, but I'm so bearish on everything that I was willing to partake in it still. But yeah, it's already pushed 40 ticks with no retest. Even if it were to create a retest now, nah, I'm not interested. So our best bet is just to hang out here for a bit. Let's see how this candle closes. This closure is going to be NYS London Open, and I think it looks like we're gonna have to wait for London to get a set up here, which is fine, no rush. Love and learn new strategy after fucking with every indicator on. Oh, nice, let's get it. Do you prefer support from the left side or wait for rejection from performers? Either one. You can create your own support or you can react off a previous level. JB Vance is looking to put genital. Fuck you, loose. Long hair, long. CFD versus FU, which is best? What the hell is FU? Nice crowd here today. All right, so first question, do you think trading is luck or skill? So you wanted me to DM you so we could organize a phone call just for you to ask me if I believe that trading is luck or skill. The most simple question that you could have just asked in the chat. You see why I decline these offers now? Crazy, bro. I'm like Jay-Z. Would you rather a $20,000 trillion or would you rather a dinner with Jay-Z? Yeah, it's just gambling, bro. It's all gambling. I don't know. No, it's not. It's just a skill. It's a skill like anything else. It's a skill that you can actually learn. That's a great thing about trading. Like this is the ability. So like it's almost a glitch in the matrix where we have the ability to look at these bullshit bars moving up and down and make ourselves millionaires just from doing that. How do you do it? Well, the same way you would get good at playing Fortnite. Like you do it more. It's a skill. I just told him I've got more. Yep, hit me, brother. Dan, I've seen videos in which they say only 1 to 2% can get rich or earn money from trading. Are you one of them? And can you tell me the things that made the other one? Yeah, that's probably true. But hey, brother, here's the thing. It's the exact same with any business. Or even think about what's the most lucrative business that a lot of these women do? Oh, it starts with an O, and then the other word is fans. It's only the 0.1 top percent that are rich from it. The rest get like scammed to believe that they could get rich, and then like some chick from your old high school is selling her balloon knot for like $20 and no one buys it because it's like only the top 1% that make money. Same with business, same with trading, everything. So, you know, if you think, I'm not going to bother with trading, it's only the top 2% that actually make money, like good millionaires from it. Well, I've got news for you, bro. It's basically like everything. Balloon knot for 20. Oh, man. All right, man. We're about to get some candle closures here. Coming into London Open. London Open! Ladies and gentlemen, we've got London Open coming in hot. What's a balloon knot? I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Let me try and draw something, I guess. Like if someone's selling their balloon knot, let's think about what a balloon knot kind of looks. I guess it's like sort of like this, and then like you know the balloon kind of goes up, and it's got like if you're looking at a balloon knot, if you're looking at a balloon knot from like, I guess the down, like this is the balloon, and then there's like the balloon knot in the bro. I've never even. Yeah, we gotta. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I don't even know, man. Oh, NQ, let's have a look. Oh, look at NQ breaking up here. Okay, let's have a look. Man, my spread is atrocious on NQ. 30 looks really nice. Yeah, maybe we could get chopped up in NQ. We'll have a look. Yeah, 30 is crazy ugly on NQ. Lost all my money, and since I've been working to get some back, let's go. And now I'm back 800. Do you recommend me starting over again? I recommend probably like using prop firms or something instead of putting your real capital in the market. It's gonna be heaps cheaper. Yeah, gold just doesn't want to nudge from here. By the looks of things. CFD versus future firms? Nothing. Just do them both. I mean, just do either. It doesn't matter. The saw. Look into what a prop firm is. Prop firms. P-R-O-P firm. What's the song? I'm not sure. Hopefully it's not too loud. You're so patient, bro. No, I'm not even patient. I'm just chilling because here's the thing. I just got no setup here. You just got to wait for your setup. That's all. That's all that you got to do. There's only two things you can do. You can wait for your setup, or you can just like not and then gamble, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, NQ's gonna be tough. We've got 20 seconds for some big closures here. Yo, what's good? Way on Hunter, most likely. Oh, it's quiet on YouTube? Let me turn it up a little bit. Your birthday is September 10th, 20... Wait, what? No, my birthday is not that. Alright, let's Google whose birthday is this. No, actually. Alright, hour closure, New York, London Open. London Open. Wow. What does the futures 4 hour look like? Wait, he said, what's your name? Wage. Tell me, share me when not to trade and share the chart. The other day I missed it. What chart? I'm still new. I heard Forex is a scam. Nah, bro, it's not a scam. Forex is like the main market. Forex is just a term. It's a foreign exchange market. So it's just, this is Forex right here. I'm trading Forex, which is a pair. It's like the strength of gold against the strength of the US dollar. So like you can't say like Forex is a scam. Forex is just a financial market. Like it's not a scam. Look it up. Famous birthdays on September 10. What am I fucking looking at? Who are these people? What's good, Luke? Yeah, looking for a potential pullback of some sort or something here on gold to try and get something happening. Do you know how to rap? Yes. Liquidity, literally, lyrically, spiritual, individual. Do you believe in AI analysts and using bots? I mean, depends what you mean, bro. Like, you can use a bot to analyze certain things for sure. You got to understand there's a difference between like, hey, do you believe in like this thing, doing this thing, or becoming consistently profitable trader? Becoming a consistently profitable trader isn't going to have anything to do with tools or this thing or that thing. It's like, it's you. It's all you. You're the one that's a consistent trader. Just took my second max payout on 150K Lucid. Let's go! Can I have some? Please. please, please, please. And it doesn't seem to matter. Do you think it was a good impulse pattern on the 1 hour time frame? Maybe, but I would never base a trade purely on the 1 hour. I would need confirmation on all the time frames, and I didn't get that. Yeah, so I couldn't give you an answer there personally. Thank you, Adrian.
In the beginning,
Like, for example, there is an app called Forex Genius. You send screenshot, it analyzes and tells you what to do. Yeah, nice. I mean, yeah, it does. It just, yeah, it sounds cool on paper, but it doesn't work, unfortunately. No, I didn't learn from Raja. I taught Raja. Ask him. I taught Raja everything he knows. You know Dominion Funding? I started that. You know Dominion Markets? I started that. I am Raja's dad. There, I said it. Now stop asking. Please, bro. I'm begging you. Alright, at least we're getting some green, man. This is good. We're getting like some sort of shit coming back, and we can... Yeah, we're getting some shit happening here. No one NQ, it'll just like fly to 4 billion. But there's no like confirmation here. Any advice for a newcomer? Yeah, just study, bro. Study, bro. Start from the ground up. Just treat this like anything. Like you'll learn to fucking become a BMX rider. You'll learn like, okay, what bike do I need? What type of shoes? Like you want to learn the basics and work your way up. If you're very, very new, I always suggest your best place to start is go to babypips.com. Babypips.com, because you're a little baby. Right? And no, it's alright. This is where I started. You know, babydicks.com. That sounded bad. And you go to Learn Forex, how to trade Forex. Oh, you guys on YouTube, TikTok can't see. And then you go down here, School of Pips. And then you go get started and start Pipsology preschool. This is every time I look at this, it brings back so many crazy memories because this is where I started. Start course, it's free. And then I was just fucking obsessed with learning everything I needed to know about what the hell is a market? Like what am I looking at? All right, so just start from the ground up. And then once you've done that, come back to me and I'll tell you what to do next. Russian meltdown. Can you please suggest best broker? Bro, look! It's almost like I am doing that. It's almost like I literally am doing that. We're getting some green, you guys. That's what we want to see. We want to see some price move. Create some more structure. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up. We're here on London stream looking for a setup. We are here trading London, trying to get a setup. So the more likes, there's 556 people here and only 88 likes. If everyone clicks like right now, I'll break the world record for the most things. But there's 3 FVGs and clear head and shoulders pattern, easy buys. I mean, hey, you got... I shouldn't do it. There was a... Yeah, you FVG guys, anyway. You FVG guys are fucked. Some of you. Do you know a guy, Trader for Life? He is Romanian, doing the same strategy. He is good to find him on... find him on YouTube. Oh, no, I don't know that. But W. Let's get it, Trader for Life. I have 99% sure signal and powerful scalping strategy available. Telegram, link in bio. Banned. Dominion Markets best broker. What a joke, bro. How is that a joke? What a joker. I mean, what more do you want? Like, seriously. Why is that I'm genuinely curious. How is that a joke? What more do you want? Nah, bro, I don't want a fucking 100% bonus on my first deposit. Nah, bro, I don't want 1 pip spread. Lowest latency. Nah, bro, when I traded on IC markets, I was more profitable. Type shit. Yeah, we'll see what we got here. We'll see what we get here, you guys. Is this a new account? Nah, I've taken, you know, when I grew my account from 5K to 100K, I took out 50 and then I grew it again up. I put a fair bit, like 6 more K on it. I ended up taking out like another 11K on Friday. And now I've just opened up a new ECN account and deposited 50 into that. Because I wanted a bit more leverage in case I want to go heavy or anything. So this is 50K deposit. Fresh account. Yo, Raja is live, do a live. You know what? That's a good idea. We do need to do a live together. I'm going to ask him actually. Let's ask him right now. Bro, I'm on stream right now. We should do a stream together this week. That'd be fucking pretty sick, actually. Bro, that would actually be dope. Because do you know the amount of messages I have from people that go, bro, I watched your first ever live stream and you were talking about Raja and you're going to meet him one day and then you actually did. That's crazy. Like the stream where you get kicked in the balloon knot, exactly. Yeah, so we're looking for a closure here. I'm going to try and see if we can get it set up. Here's a... like the smart thing to do is to look for a closure, look for a fail, and potentially get aggressive with a sell at the break of a low of some sort of impulse. I would impulsively sell here probably, to be honest. You just got to read like the reality of what we've been showing. We've been shown so many bearishness so far. So it's like, it is a, yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Hey Dan, how hot is Dubai? I want to come. It's actually not that hot. I was thinking about that yesterday. It's not that bad. I didn't get any bonus after first deposit. Raised the ticket, got no response. Please help. So it takes 24 hours. And what's your name? Like, bro, I swear to God, like a bunch of people have registered, but only like 2 people have put a deposit in. Like actually place a deposit. Nah, this wouldn't be a type 2 scenario for me. Tell Raja to fix price scale logic on the right. Their codes are a bit lazy. Wait, what? Price scale logic? What the fuck's a price scale logic? Some of the money I withdrew was yours? Sorry, bro. Oh, Raja just played the message out on the stream, really? Yes. On your course, how many total setups are there? As last webinar I saw type 1, type 2. Type 1, type 2 is just a term we use to describe like signals that we see. But really you're learning price action trading, how to read the market, the structure of the market, and take trades based on that. So technically the answer is infinity. 163 likes now. Let's go. I also messaged you on Instagram. Yeah, what's your name on Instagram? I'm actually curious. Oh, look, Raja just said yes. Yeah, we'll do a stream. What's your name on Instagram? Because I'm actually curious. Yeah, I'll have to have oh yeah, I see. All right, I'll have a look soon. I think, yeah, I'll have a look soon. Bye curious. Fuck. Hey Dan, am I the only one finding gold markets difficult this month? This month, I mean the month just started, but last month, honestly, no. Gold's, I mean, trading's always difficult. It's always difficult. It's always difficult. So I can't relate to that too much. The only thing I can ever relate to is, oh man, we haven't got like many clean setups this month. You know what I mean? Like, or this week. That's the biggest thing I ever feel is sometimes like, oh, we haven't got that many clean setups in the last couple of days or something. But other than that, it's not like, oh, it's more difficult. No. It's just more like, oh man, sorry, man, looks like we're waiting a lot. Like, no, nothing clean for a bit. But then other days, like there was a day last week, there was literally like 6 A+ setups in one day. And I only got one of them. What news site do I use for breaking news? Breaking news! I use Forex Factory, bro. It's called forexfactory.com. You can see red folder events. So we've got PMI tonight. So whenever you see that red folder, you look, is it US dollar? If it's affecting the US dollar, it's going to affect gold. So if setup confirmed in 30 minutes, can you trade? Yeah, not many clean subs. Yeah, sometimes happens. NFP on Friday. Let's go. Might have to load up a few Apex accounts. Yeah, fuck it. I'll load up a few Apexies. Damn, I need Nikki back on the mods on TikTok. Alright, man. There's a closure, pretty strong bullish closure. What would make me sell now is if price tries to break this high again and fails and closes something like this, I'll get aggressive with an impulse sell back down here. Alright, looks like that makes sense. But this is the thing, it's good to kind of maybe visualize some potential, but the market does a good job of always throwing something at you that you didn't expect. So we'll see if it does that. Yeah, NFP week, always big for news. Yeah, big news week. Yeah, nice. We should get some crazy direction this week. I wonder if this week's going to be like the dictator to decide whether, because I think gold's at a really key point in terms of directional decisions, and maybe this week's going to be the catalyst for like direction. Like, wouldn't you agree? We're kind of at a level here now where it's like, we're either going to melt or we're going to start breaking some highs and moving up. I'm also trading impulse entry strategy. April works best for me, but I need because months go crazy. Others not any. But yeah, I don't really know much about impulse entries, bro. Sorry. Yeah, NFP gamble stream in the mentorship only. Sorry. Oh, what? Raj is waiting to buy. Yeah. Nice explanation on visualization. Gee, wait, what? What explanation? Just buying or selling? No, I'm open to. I mean, I'd need to see a few more different things to want to buy, but I drew up what I was looking for in terms of what I want to see in order to sell. So if that could happen now, like if price could break this high here now, and then now that it's created a bottom week and close like this, I think this is a fucking crazy good sell opportunity. Like for it to be the highest probability, you'd want it to at least break this high and fail, and then come back down and close bearish. It's better to wait for. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Who is it? I have noticed price being a bit jumpy today as well on gold. Have you guys noticed that? It's like being very impulsive, like it'll pulse down and up. How's it going, brother? Brother, doing amazing. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're really firing on all cylinders. Yeah, I'm in Dubai. Habibi. NQ, what do you got for us? Oy, 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 oy. Inquisitive. Limited edition t-shirts, yeah, I know. They're, yeah, I don't know where they are right now, actually. It's gonna be a 30 closure as well, yeah, it will be. Yeah, getting pretty interested in sells. Like the higher probability would be if it broke this high up here and rejected. I'm still pretty freaking interested. As long as it doesn't break like 50% of this body of this green candle. Not too much. In Dubai, minimum cost of living? I don't know. Don't come here if you want to live on the minimum cost of living. Only come here if you've got like good amount of money where you don't have to stress. Yep, keeping an eye on this, keeping an eye on this. Big J Young fly. You are not trading. Why are you rich? Just from what I've seen, Adrian, like this is our like range, right? I'm not interested in here, but we've got some clear breakout levels. If this were to break out, it's still pretty fucking ugly. Like, just the extension, the fact that it just engulfs all that, and then to continue down, it could definitely do it. I don't think I'd like to take a trade on that on this account though, personally. If it were to break out. Unfortunately. Yeah, that's just where my head's at. But if it were to like come down to this range and then maybe like give it a crack and then fail and come up here and then break out after that, that could be cool. Probably won't happen, but seems more ideal. Always pushing up. Oiled up. If gold were to hold above here and close green, that means the 30 would close. Let's visualize what the 30 would look like. Not too bad. You got a decent like not even that decent, a bit of a retest here. Could maybe look at buying, taking partials there and trying to get maybe. Bro, I luck something in your strategy. Can you help me out? I luck something in your strategy. Is it ever a good idea doing this, you and Raj? Wait, it's a very good idea you doing this, you and Raj together. We learn from you guy and you are idol because, yeah, I think that'd be cool. I think it could be cool, bro. Yeah, I think it could be cool. What time do you trade every day, bro? I just trade London and New York, New York Stock Exchange. So I'll do either of those sessions live stream in the mentorship community, but twice a week I'll do one of them on YouTube. YouTube. Hello, Logan, bro. Blowing the flip? No. No. Tested 4 or 5. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even realize we're at a psych number here. 4,500. Wow, we perfectly tested 4,500. Didn't even realize that. Interesting. If you look through to the left, that's why it's such a respected level on the left. This is a 4.5K point. Yeah, okay. When's the 4 hour even fucking closing? Still got ages. How'd you flip the 100? Just max spammed buys. Just max spam buys. We've got a minute and a half here for a closure. The thing is, so here's the thing. If this closure is going to be really important because it's going to almost manipulate me into wanting to take a sell if it closes pretty strong bearish. Because if the 15 closes bearish, that means that this 30-minute candle will be like a really nice support level. It'll look like this. And I know it's on the higher time frame, there's also an hour breakout. So if that new 30 were to open up, create a little bit of a top wick and start to break, it'd be really hard not to want to sell here. But the issue is you're selling straight into 15-minute structure, and that's never a good idea. So it's like, what does a 1 hour look like? Strong 1 hour closure. We're bearish on all time frames. Could be an argument to pull the trigger. If I did it, I might do a lower size. FX to futures. Yeah, I'm not sure in terms of brokers and stuff. I just know futures prop firms. I don't have a strategy or any indicators at all. I'm just disciplined. Is that good? No, bro. We're all disciplined. Do you think you're the only disciplined one? We're all disciplined, my G. I'm gonna put an order at the break of this low. Fuck everyone. I don't want too much more of a top wick though. I don't want too much more of a top wick. Got a strong 1 hour close, got 30 support, got 15 coming down, strong downtrend. This is perfect. This is perfect. If we can flip from here, I'm pretty happy. I know we're gonna have a bit of, this is like a tug of war. Like when it gets to this point, it's like, no. But let's see if we can smash through it with everything else on our side. It's one of the rare cases where I might do this. Even though you could probably take partials there and it's still 80%, it should be good. Oh, as in FX futures prop firms, but trading platform. Yeah, just use Lucid or Top Step. They're both good futures firms. Super easy to get used to. Super easy. Yeah, I'm gonna cancel this order. At least we've got a break above level now. Like at least we've got like just a standard breakout, break above level. Yeah, this would be like more correlated to what we would consider a type 2 to a degree if it were to push, but it looks like it's having a pretty strong rejection here. I could potentially still be interested if it wants to flip, but let's just see what happens here. If it breaks its high one more time, then it's not going to be a good idea. Oh, Naz. Adrian, what are you thinking, my G? Fuck. Oh, it's so extended though, man. It's so extended. I can't do it. I like the idea, but I personally just can't do it. I can't do it. I'm not even going to look at it. It's giving me fun. Yeah, I'm kind of glad gold's not rejecting here. Temptation. I got the right click ready. Fuck. I do like a break above here though, honestly. Or this 15 that's open right now comes down and closes like this. Check this out. If this 15 comes down and closes like this, basically the same as what the 30 is, brother, then I'll load up the whole account for a sell here. Ease up, gold. Don't make me sell you, bro. Please don't make me sell you right now. I can't sell now. I can't sell. Can I sell? Wait. What's that? 47. No, I can't sell. No way. No way. No. No. I want to be a good trader so that I can party with you and Dovey. Oh, Dovey. Yeah, you don't have to be a good trader, bro. You can just be a good person. NQ's gonna make you do it. Fuck. Oh, you already made some good coin today? Okay, nice. Yeah, definitely don't give it back with a shit setup. Like I said, I drew up before, like if it were to break back into the range and create a bit of green structure up here and then break out, I think that's way better. Just to feel a bit of this range, like just one candle engulfing like that's pretty scary. But it's NQ, anything can happen. Bruh. I can't sell here if this flips. I just can't do it. Why you can't sell? Touch. I can't, bro. Like it's a negative risk to reward badly, and and that's the main reason. But if it closes like this, I'll re-put my order in so I can put my fucking stop loss above the new current candle, the new candle open. You can do it, we believe in you. Yeah, I believe in me too, but the market doesn't. The market doesn't care what I believe. Why are you looking for sell when price tapped into a 1 minute or OB order block? Oh. Yeah, I know, I'm so stupid. Yeah, Lee, it's because if I were to enter at the break of this low here, that's all well and good. But my stop loss would need to be up here. But my first point of interest or area that I'm going to be tapping into is right here. So look how skewed my risk to reward is. Like it's massively skewed against me. And that's cool. Like if I were to use a 30-minute time frame, it's different, but you know, then I'll be breaking like the core principles of the rules of my playbook, which is 15 structure. It needs to align with 15 structure. And it just massively doesn't. But if a new candle, if this candle closes down here like this, and then the new candle opens up, creates a small top wick, and then starts to sink from here, I'll have an order sitting there, stop loss above that level, partials there, and then try and get a runner down to here. So, you know, that depends on how this closes. If this closes above this range, I think bulls start to step in a little bit, and we can maybe buy as well. No retest week, no trade ever. Nah, there are a couple of rare circumstances, but I won't even bother explaining it because it's that rare. There's no such thing as a time frame to use for gold. It's just whatever your strategy tells you to do. Even if this closes similar to how it is, I'll still be interested in sells. Yeah. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like sells now. I don't like sells. I don't like what I'm seeing. I think we're either going to consolidate now or start pushing up. I don't like sells right now. Personally. I could be wrong. Now the tool is, this is in Zoom. You can open up Zoom, film your screen, and you can bring up a drawing tool. Cells are there for sure. Maybe. I don't like it for me personally. It can totally drop. I don't know. It's obviously very bearish. We'll see. We'll see. Super bearish. There she goes. Do you find that the second level holds becomes lower probability for breaks previous candle low before closing? The second level, you should throw a screenshot in the Discord or something. What do you mean? Yeah, there's a nice pop. There's obviously a ton of bearish volume in the market. Yeah, this could absolutely melt here now. If a fifth, no, I don't think we're going to get a sell. It's just tricky, like tricky structure right now for me personally. It's just tricky structure for me right now. I'm trying to find like a sensible opportunity, and I'm finding it difficult right now with what I'm seeing. And 2.5 minutes for a closure. Let's see what happens. Like the 30 structure indicates that it wants to melt. You got clean traffic to the left. The 1 hour's flipping. 15 looks whatever. Yeah, it could just absolutely sink, but nah. I mean, if it were to drop and you wanted a new target zone, it'd be this next level of support here. Yeah, gold's gonna pop here. Gold's gonna pop. The 15 closed below. Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well. Let's see, right? If the 15 closed below, let's see. I think so. I'm actually so surprised it's holding here like this, like without actually giving a big pop below. Yeah, my analysis for cells is correct. It was easy to come up with that analysis, but it's more like the entry. I needed like the proper entry conditions. Just didn't get it. Like being able to gauge what price is going to do is relatively easy. It's the hard part is, well, am I getting a fucking actual opportunity to enter within my rule set? Yeah, there's that pop. This probably would have synced now. Just gonna see how this candle plays out here for a minute and make a decision on what I want to do. Sweet. I'm done, you guys. I'm done for London. Nothing here for me. Pretty boring. Nothing here for me. Very easy to gauge direction. Very difficult to find like a setup that was in alignment with the rules or the actual entry. Sorry. All good happens. I'm gonna jump off because just looking at the charts like this is giving me FOMO. There's no point. So I'd rather not even look at the charts and come back in New York. So appreciate you guys jumping on though. Have a great session. Don't force anything. If nothing shows up, man, that doesn't align with your rules, just come back in London or New York. Yeah. So love you, gang. Appreciate you. I'll catch up with you next time. See you guys. Bye bye.